discuss about acid, base and salt. Acid, actually in ancient time, the substance which had a souring taste is called acid, because all the things which present in nature that gives souring taste contains some acids, as for example in case of lemon citric acid is present, in case of curd lactic acid is present, in case of tamarind tartaric acid is present, in case of apple maleic acid is present. So in ancient time, the substance which had souring taste is called acid, and the term acid actually comes from the Latin word. That Latin word is acidus. Acidus is a Latin word that means sour in taste. So acid is naturally occurring sour materials. Here you see, I give some examples: citric acid, lactic acid, tartaric acid. These all acids are present in naturally occurring substance. According to Arrhenius, Arrhenius was a scientist. So according to the Arrhenius, acids are those substances which gives H plus ion in aqueous solution. Those substances which gives H plus ion in aqueous solution are called acids. But this concept, nowadays we rejected that concept. In aqueous solution already, what is meaning of aqueous solution? Aqueous solution means the solution which contains water, and if H plus is present in water, H plus do not exist. It combines with that water and it forms a substance called H3O plus. Here you see H2O plus H plus. Then how many hydrogen? 3 hydrogen atoms and 1 oxygen atom, and 1 plus charge goes on this hydrogen atoms. So this H3O plus is called hydronium ion. Hydronium ion. So the substance which contains, now we can nowadays we will define the acid in that way. The substance which contains hydronium ion, that is H3O plus ion, is called acid. Okay, and then the base is that substance which contains, base is that substance which contains, here we will discuss the properties of acid and base according to Arrhenius. Arrhenius was the first scientist. Arrhenius was the first scientist. Arrhenius was the first scientist who gave the definition of acid and base. According to Arrhenius, those substances which dissolve in water or substance which undergo in water, if that substance increase the H plus ion concentration, or that will liberate the H plus ion, is called acid. As for example, you have to see here HCl. when we put HCl into the water, then in aqueous solution, that means HCl goes in water and it will be dissociated into H plus and Cl minus. Here you see the concentration of H plus increases when it goes into the water. Aqueous, that means aqueous solution means substance goes in water. It dissociated into H plus ions and Cl minus ions. So actually the acid was that substance which gives the H plus ion according to Arrhenius, and the base was that substance which gives OH minus ion when it goes inside the water. As for example, you have to see here NaOH, aqueous solution of NaOH, it dissociated in water Na plus and OH minus. So the concentration of OH is increased. If the concentration of OH is increased, that substance is base. If the concentration of H plus is increased, that substance is acids. But this theory was discarded by several scientists because all the acids or all the base do not dissolve in water. Some of the acids only dissolve in water and some of the bases only dissolve in water, but they acts like those substances which do not dissolve in water acts as an acid as well as base. So that theory was discarded. Then the Bronsted and Lowry give the concept of acid. Acid are those substances which gives protons, that was copied from Arrhenius. Here you see H plus. H plus is what? H plus is proton. So those substances, according to Bronsted and Lowry concept, the acids are those substances which gives or which donates protons. According to their Bronsted and Lowry's theory, proton donors are acid and proton acceptors are base. Proton donors are acid and proton acceptors are base. Then Lewis comes, and according to Lewis, just reverse, you see those are the proton donor, that means electron acceptor. Electron acceptors are acid and electron donors are base. That means the compound which have a less electron on their structure is acid, and substance which have a more electron on their compounds are called base. So according to this, the Lewis acid are electron deficient compound, and according to Lewis, base are electron increasing, or they have a more electron on that compound. So these theories are given by the Bronsted and Lowry and Lewis. This is not in your syllabus, but we will discuss that theory also. You have only studied at class 10th level, you have only studied Arrhenius concept. So according to Arrhenius concept, once again I repeat you, according to Arrhenius concept, the substance which liberates H plus ion in aqueous solution, or those substances which increase the hydrogen ion concentration in their aqueous solution are called acids, and those substances which gives OH minus ion concentration is called base. So this is only present in class 10 syllabus. all the Bronsted and Lowry and Lewis concept that will be discussed in your higher classes.